Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Thursday, December 23rd. By the way, we will be out for Christmas and we'll resume our regular schedule on Monday, December 27th. Tesla has applied to install Supercharger stations in Texas with CCS connectors. It would actually be a first for the automaker in the USA. According to a new filing, Tesla has applied for grants ranging from $375,000 to $500,000 on 4 different stations. The interesting thing is that they are required to have at least one CHAdeMO and one CCS connector for the station to receive a grant. This would be significant for Tesla, since the automaker has so far only been using their own proprietary connector in North America. Tesla has secured new active anode material from graphite for battery production in an offtake agreement deal with Syra Resources Limited. Tesla rarely does an offtake agreement to purchase upcoming goods with junior mining companies, but in this case the project appears to be quite advanced. Syra is currently ramping up the facility to produce 10 kilotons of material per year. Today the company announced that Tesla has secured most of that capacity. The material will come from a graphite mine in Balama, Mozambique. Tesla has recently asked the U.S. government to waive tariffs on graphite from China, claiming that they can't get the mineral anywhere else. Tesla previously announced that they are moving to secure battery materials and supply from literally anyone with a reasonable price. Taiga Motors has announced that they have manufactured their first production electric snowmobiles, and deliveries are expected to start early next year following regulatory approval. Earlier this year, Taiga made waves when they went public and raised $100 million to bring their electric sport vehicles to production. Today, Taiga announced that they produced its first customer-ready electric snowmobile. It starts at $15,000 and 3 models are available. Since the company is based in Quebec, as well as Electrek's editor-in-chief, I am expecting a fun-filled review of these products in the future. Electrek takes a look at how to get the most out of your holiday EV trips with 12 quick tips. A lot of these you already know, but here's a couple of them that were fun for me. Number 6, if you drive a Tesla, it's more efficient to use the car's navigation even if you know where you're going. That way your car can prepare itself for charging as you head to the Supercharger. And of course, it can never be said enough, Number 10, improperly inflated tires will increase energy consumption and drain your battery. It's a super easy thing to miss and a super easy thing to fix. The U.S. Department of the Interior announced on Tuesday that it has approved 2 solar farms, with a third nearing final approval on public land. The 3 solar projects are in the desert regions of California and combined will generate around 1 gigawatt of power. The BLM also announced this week that they are soliciting interest for utility-scale solar development on nearly 90,000 acres of public land in Colorado, Nevada, and New Mexico. This is all taking place outside the scope of the Build Back Better Act, which is currently in limbo. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas.